everyone, this slideshow is just going to tell you a little bit about me. So this is my family. My family and I are really close. We always have been. Here you can see my parents and my two brothers, Jay and John Mark. I also have a really close relationship with my grandparents, and that's a picture from prom a few years ago. And finally, I have a picture with my boyfriend, Chaz. We've actually been together for 3 years now. So this slideshow just shows you some of my favorite things. I absolutely love macaroni and cheese, and I'm very passionate about it. One of the best foods ever. I'm also a huge Clemson fan. I'm a third-generation Tiger, so orange blood runs through my veins. I also love to travel. I've been to 7 countries so far and hope to visit many more. I'm a huge sports fan. I love the Tigers, obviously, but I'm also a pretty big Atlanta Braves fan. My favorite sports are volleyball, football, and baseball. I also really love music. I've sang my whole life and am really involved with choir. It's a huge stress reliever for me, and it's just something that I really enjoy. I hope this helped to get to know me a little better.